lads, my name is Paul. I'm here today to give a presentation on wood processing. Alright? So it's really basic stuff. I know a lot of you haven't done it before, so I'll just go through it fairly sharp and just show you just the basics of how you can use it. Alright? So, just what I'm trying to get out today, I want you to try and get familiar just with Microsoft Office Word. There's different kind of programs, but Microsoft Office Word is the best kind of one for going to start off. Alright? Just going to show you how to make some basic documents. Next part, quick use of the application. Just going to, as I said, just display how you can get through it nice and quick. Show you how to create a new document from scratch, so you can write up whatever you need to. Next part after that is review and edit document. So if you need to make any changes in it, you'll go out and show you how to go through that as well. Then obviously next step of that, saving the document. Really important, so you just don't reside on one to the right. The last part then will be print out the document. Okay? So just starting off, what is Microsoft Word? Does anyone know? No? So look, as it says there, it's a technological application which allows the user to control text data. So basically, it just lets you what you do with a pen and paper, put on the screen on the computer. Alright? Really simple. With this data, the user can then produce many different types of documents, including letters, reports, memos, and other similar types of correspondence. Alright? So basically, you can do anything you want. Alright? Really good, really simple to use. So there's got loads of different settings you can use as well to get similar types. But basically, anything you want, from writing a letter to your friend, writing a letter of application for a job, applying for a job, anything you need to do. Alright? So, that's what it looks like. Not very there, but I'll show you. I can demo as well in a sec. I'll switch through a different screen. So, there's the basics of Microsoft Office. Up to the top there, we have the title bar. Okay? This will tell you the name of the document. Alright, so straight away it'll default to document 1. As soon as you open a new page, it'll be document 1 at the top. Then beside it, it'll say Word, which is the application you use. Alright, different applications, different, whichever one it is will be on top. So it can be Access, Excel, Access, or Outlook. They're just a few of the different ones there is. Alright? Just over here on the right, really important, most important button you need on this when you're not too sure about what's going on, help function. Alright? It's just a little question mark. And all that'll do is just show you what it is. If you need any help doing anything, you just type it in, click on that, type in what you need to do, and it'll take you to it. Alright? You might need an internet connection. Otherwise, sometimes a lot of the stuff is there, you can access it offline. Alright? So, I'll just jump to a different screen and show you that. So, there you go, pretty clear. So just up here on the right, as I said, there's the help function. Alright? This bar here on the right, the scroll bar. Let's just jump up and down. Alright? That's how you know you need to go. So just click on that, drag it up or drag it down, and it'll move the document up and down. Alright? Just down the bottom right here, we have the zoom. So, obviously enough, you click on that, click on the right side and make it bigger. Zoom document a bit closer. Alright? People might need this if they've some sort of visual impairment, they might need the screen bigger or smaller as needs to be. Alright, so that's just how you do it there. You want to make it bigger. Over here in the bottom left, the stats bar, just says page 1 and 2, so I've just started the document, 2 pages in it. That's just telling you what page I'm on. Alright. Just beside it, you've got a word count. Obviously enough, tells you what it is. It's good, that's good as well, especially if you don't have to do some documents, you might have to do a report or something for somebody in work or in college. Word count is good. There might be a minimum or a maximum amount of word count on a document, and that'll save you having to go through and count it one by one. Because no one wants to do that. Absolute pain. Just in the middle here, that's the body of the text. Alright? You click anywhere in that document and you can start to type from the start. Alright? Just up the top here, okay, you have your ribbon. Okay? This is where you can get through everything. Anything you need to access, you can access it here on this ribbon. It's really important. Alright? If you just look up the top, it'll be highlighted on white which section you're on. So it's all categorised into different headings. You've got your file, home, insert, page layout, references, mails, review, and view. Alright? Anything you need to get done, if you need to do anything it'll be under one of them headings, okay? Each heading has different functions, as you can see. Alright? Really good. You can hide that if that's in your way. If you don't need to use that, okay, you can hide that straight away. Just click this little button up here. Alright, beside the help, that'll minimise that so it's not there. Okay? Just on the top here, you have different commands you can use, okay? These are all good for formatting text. You type in something into your document, you want to change the colour of it, you can change it here. You want to change the size of it, the size there. You want to change the font size, you can change different size there. Alright? All of these, there's loads of different options available. Just in the bottom corner here, there's a little arrow. You click on that, it'll make something there. You have more options there. Alright? If the option isn't there, you haven't got any more options. Okay? So, next slide. Just to get around that document a bit quicker, alright? Hands up who use a mouse. Yeah. Would any use a keyboard to get around the document? Yeah. Which is quicker? Keyboard's quicker to get around the document, alright? A lot of people just go for a mouse to back into typing onto the keyboard, alright? Much quicker if you use the keyboard. Loads of different commands you can get yourself around quicker. It's good to use, especially if you're in a business environment, if you're doing a lot of typing and work all day. Alright? An awful lot of people you'll see who are good advanced users will use the keyboard to get around much quicker. Alright? So, here's different parts. There's different keys, just down the bottom, there's a little picture. Alright, there's your keys. There's different arrows. You have an up function, down, home, and page up and page down. Alright? So, obviously, the right, it's got to move it one character to the right. Okay? Left the same. Down, bring it down the line. Up and jump it up and up. Alright? Just show you here. So here we go. Up function. Just bring it up one. Alright, right and move it one to the right. Left to the left. Down is down. Okay? If you hit the home, the home will just take it back to the start of that sentence, alright? And the end, bring it back to the end there, just like that, alright? I have 2 pages in that document, so if I hit page down, it'll bring me down a page. If I hit page up, it'll bring me back to that page, alright? So just hit up, okay, just hit page up, it'll bring it right back to the start again, alright? So there we go. Any questions on them? If you have any questions anyway through, just stop me and put your hand up. Alright? Really simple, it just gets you around the place a lot quicker. Alright? So, creating a new document. So what you want to do first of all is open up the application. That'll be fine. So you'll open up the application, Microsoft Word. Next thing you go to, on the top left of the screen, you'll have the file option. Click on file. On the left here, it'll give you lots of different subcategories. Okay? You're looking for the new option. Just highlight it there in the middle. When you hit the new, it's going to open up a load of different options for you. Alright? It'll give you different types of documents there are, so there's loads of different templates. So you'll have blank documents, you'll have reports, letters, memos, labels, anything you need basically is there. Okay? If you don't see something you need there, if you have access to the internet, you can search for more. Alright? If you're doing a report for work or for college, just click on report and it'll have the layout perfectly for you. Okay, you won't have to do anything more bar input all of that. Is that alright? So, click on new, we just want a blank document. Just over here on the right hand side, it'll give you a preview of the screen. So it's a blank document, so that's what's going to do. Underneath here, you just hit create. That'll take us to this screen here. There's your blank document straight away, when you're ready to go, ready to get cracking on your document. Alright? So just start typing, just click anywhere in the middle of the page. It'll bring you to the start of the document and you can start typing and input your data there. Alright? Any questions? No. So after you put in all your data, you put in all your work, anything you need to type in, you type it all in. So next after that then you have to review it. Alright? The way it is with Word, it's important that you have to make sure anything you produce, you review it, make sure there's no errors in it, okay? Make sure it doesn't look bad, make sure it looks good, have a little look over it. You might have typed something by accident that you didn't realise. This is good to you. Always hit review. There's loads of different options here, alright? Most important one, most common one is now spelling and grammar check. So all you do, just on the top bar here, you're just going to go down to review, spellings and grammar is going to be here, full stop. Click on that, it's going to take you to a screen. If there's any documents at all, it'll jump through it really quick, have a look, anything that's wrong, it'll highlight it for you, give you the option to change it, okay? If there's something there that you know is right, but it's not on that dictionary, you can add it in. A lot of place names wouldn't be in, you might have to add some place names in as well, alright? But make sure as well, there's no excuse if you're ever producing a document that there's any spelling errors in it, alright? Not with that, but all you do is click a button and go through it, okay? Back in times when typewriters needed paper, you had to go through everything again manually. It was a lot of time consuming, a lot of hassle, alright? So there you have a really easy button, just click on that button and make sure the document is fine before you go on to the next stage. There's a few other options there as well, there's a language there as well, you can change the language if you want. Loads of different settings. If you're working in a different country, if it's not your first language, you can type it up in your own language and transfer it over. Alright? So, we've made a document, we've reviewed it, it's okay, you're ready to save it now. Okay? If you want, you can save it as you're going automatically. Just keep clicking that save button. Alright, save for option. A lot of people will do that after every paragraph or every page they write. Alright? But if not, you can save it right at the end. So it's really important to save it because otherwise you don't want to lose it. Power cut, anything, something might happen, computer might freeze, you might be the other one. Okay? So to save your work, it's your symbol up on the top left hand corner, you have the Microsoft button or you have the file. All you do then is open that up. You'll have two options. You'll have save or you'll have save as. There's a difference between the two. Save is going to save it to a predetermined location by the computer. Alright? So it might be documents, it might be desktop, it could be anywhere. Okay? Microsoft Word will already have a predetermined place it's going to save. Alright? If you click save, that's it, it will save straight away. It will save with the first couple of words of the document in the top. Alright? You won't be able to name it yourself. Alright? Second option then is save as. If you hit save as, you get this screen down here. So that'll bring it up. This will tell you whereabouts it's going to be saved in. So as I said, it might be in documents, it might be in, you might have a USB stick, you might have an external hard drive, or you might want to save it anywhere you want. You can choose here where you want to save it. You just click that drop down and you choose where you want to save it. Somewhere where you don't remember it. You don't want to save something and then can't find it. Alright? So after that then, you can move down here, you can name whatever you want. Okay? Financial stats, production reports, whatever it needs to be. You can name it, so name it something easy that you know, that you'll find easy to remember and you won't forget. Alright? After you've done that, just hit the save button there. Then that'll save your document straight away. Alright? Any questions there? It's really basic, really straightforward, alright? So after we've created a document, we've edited it, everything's fine with it, you've reviewed it, there's no mistakes in it, you've saved it, it's all nice and safe. Next thing you want to do is print it out and hand it over to someone. Okay? So again, the print, up on the top of the bar, we click on the file icon, it'll drop us down and give us a few different options. Okay? So obviously we're looking for a print option. So we click on the print, it'll bring us to this next part of the screen. Loads of different things you can do with the document here. Alright? You can choose what pages you want to print. If you don't want to print all the pages, you can print a section of pages. You can choose which way the page is going to print out. Is it going to be portrait or landscape? Depends. If you're doing a lot of tables, landscape might be the better option. Alright? You can choose it yourself. You can also choose which printer. If you're in an office, chances are there's going to be a lot of printers hooked up. Okay, some might not be working. Your option is going to be here, just printer. Just click on the drop down menu, it'll bring you any printers that are related to you. Okay? You'll see a little green tick there. Anything that's ticked is ready to use, you can use that. Okay? There might be a little red triangle, or it might be a yellow triangle as well. If there's something wrong, you can't print it then. Alright? Just make sure you're printing up to the right printer. Nothing worse, especially if you're in an office, printers all around the building. You go to print it, it's not there, you could have sent it to a wrong printer. Could have looked for it all day. Alright? When you're happy with everything, you've got the number of copies as well. If you want to do more than one copy, you have to give it to more than one person, you can choose yourself. You can click up or down to add or take away from the amount of copies you have, or just type in there and click it on you want. Okay? After that then, as soon as you're ready, top left hand button, most important, just hit the print out the document then. Alright, is that okay? Anyone got any questions? Anything there? And the top.
How do you get Microsoft Word in your own computer?
You know, computer. Well, you can buy, some computers come with it, all installed. If not, you can buy it. So you either buy it in the shop, you get a disc, you pop it in, you can install that way, or you can download it off the internet. Alright?
Do you use it much?
You'd use it every day. You'd use it for an awful lot of stuff. Alright? A lot of, even people at home who don't use it much, you might use it for yourself, for your accounts. I mean, there's an option there as well, like what I was saying, different kind of documents you can bring up invitations if you're having a party, or birthday cards. Alright? A lot of people can print off stuff as well. If you're sending someone living in a far country, you can do a birthday card on the thing and in it. It's cheaper, quicker as well. Alright? Anything else? No?
Thank you.
Alright, glad that's it. Thank you very much.